After the threat of an Assam-based Kutumba Suraksha Parishad to disrupt road communication between Assam and Meghalaya if no initiative was taken to lift the ban on worship by Hindu devotees at a cave in Mawsynram within 10 days, Education Minister Rakkam said that people should worship in their homes and praying at Mawsynram will not make the difference. Condemning the recent threat by the group, he said that it is not proper for a religious group to make such threats, saying all religions exist for peace and harmony.
Any religion is for the peace. We worship God for peace and harmony for the individual, for the family, and for the community, right? So I think as a religious group treating like this does not sound good. That's not a good message, and they are not to be a real, a religious group to be praying. So with this particular issue is concerned, so yes, there's a local issue. There may be a local sentiment. They should respect it. So worshipping doesn't mean only in Mawsynram they will get blessing. No. We want to worship God, worship at your home. Worship at your nearby. You have a great mandils in Assam, in your nearby home. So worshipping their God in Mawsynram doesn't make you and him difference, right? God is omnipresent.
The Riboy District Administration